Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to search and review papers or research papers on Google Scholar. So if you are new at my channel, please hit the subscribe button. First of all, you need to type Google Scholar on the Google bar. Now you can see a lot of results. We'll click on the first website shown, and here is the main interface of the Google Scholar. It is similar to Google. You can see below the search bar, there are two options, articles and case law. If you want to search articles or read an articles, then you can click on that, and then we will type any topic you want to make a research on it. For example, I want to search a paper about environmental chemistry, then I will type that, and you can see a lot of results are shown in the menu. You can click on any article and read that, and these are both research papers or review papers. If you want to read the only review articles, then you can click on that from the left menu, and then it will only show review articles about the specific topic we have typed. So you can see here are a lot of articles. The years are 2003 and 2015, but you only want to read the latest research papers or review articles from the last 5 years. So you can add a custom range. For example, I want to read articles from the last 5 years, then I'll type 2018 and 2022. Then it will show articles which are only published between 2018 to 2022. Now you can see here are our latest articles 2019, 2019, 2021. So you can sort it by custom range, by years, by date, or by review or research papers. So all about Google Scholar. And if you want to cite a paper or article on your writing or MS Word file or in your article, then you can click on these inverted commas. Now you can see here are a lot of referencing styles or citing styles are given. You can select on any of that, MLA, APA. So you can cite it according to your any referencing software. For example, it can be a Mendeley, it can be a EndNote. If I am using EndNote, then I'll click on that, and you can see a file is downloaded, so I can use this article as a reference in my file. So here is the short video about Google Scholar. If you want to learn more, please click on the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you can receive the notifications about my latest videos. Thanks for watching.